Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before continuing, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at question number 11 from 2023 June Wassce core mathematics examination, and it says if m is to n equals to 2 1 all over 3 is to 1 1 all over 5 and n is to q equals to 1 1 all over 2 is to 1 1 all over 3, find q is to n. So we have solution. For now we are going to change this to proper fraction. We have 2 1 all over 3 equals to 3 times 2 6 6 plus 1 we have 7 all over 3, and 1 1 all over 5 equals to 5 times 1 5 5 plus 1 6 all over 5, and the next one is 1 1 all over 2 equals to 2 times 1 2 2 plus 1 3 all over 2. So the next one is 1 1 all over 3. So we have 3 times 1 1 1 plus 1 we have 4 all over 3. Now m is to n equals to this. So we now say m all over n equals to, we replace this with this fraction. We have 7 all over 3 divided by 6 all over 5. So this is the same thing as 7 all over 3 times 5 all over 6. And we have m all over n equals to 7 times 5 we have 35 all over 18. And when we make n the subject of this expression, we have n equals to 18m all over 35. This is equation 1. The next one says n is to q. So we have n all over q equals to 1 3 all over 2 divided by 4 all over 3. This is the same thing as 3 all over 2 times 3 all over 4. So it's the same thing as 9 all over 8. Therefore, n all over q equals to 9 all over 8. So making n the subject of this expression, we have n equals to, we have 9q all over 8. Now we have, this is equation 2. N equals to this and n equals to this. Therefore, we say equate the equation 1 and equation 2. We have 18m all over 35 equals to 9q all over 8. So now we have this. When we cross multiply, we are going to have 144m equals to 315q. That means 18 times 8 give us 144. Then 9 times 35 give us 315q. Therefore, when we make n is to q, we have to divide 144 all over 315 equals to 315q all over 315. So this one will cancel here, and this one will cancel here. We have a 16. This is then 16 all over 35 equals to q all over m. Therefore, our q all over m is the same thing as, this is the same thing as q is to m equals to 16 is to 35. So this is the answer. 16 is to 35. Then number 12. 1/3 of the sum of two numbers is 12. Twice their difference is 12. Find the numbers. So we have the solution. So let the two numbers be x and y. So it says 1/3 of the sum of the two. The sum of the two is x plus y times 1 all over 3 equals to 12. This is what it means. 1/3 of the sum equals to 12. Therefore, this is the same thing as x plus y all over 3 equals to 12. Now we can cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we have the same thing as x plus y equals to 36. This equation 1. So the second one says twice their difference is 12. 2 times x minus y, their difference, equals to 12. Therefore, here will be x minus y equals to, this will divide by this, equal to 6. So this is our equation 2. Now we can add equation 1 and equation 2. When we add equation, let's bring equation 1 here. This is plus y equals to 36. This is equation 1. We add 2 of them. When we add 2 of them, y will go off. So this cancels this, and we have 2x equals to this plus this, we have 42. So our x, therefore, our x equals to 42 all over 2, where x equals to 42 cancel here, we have 21. And we can substitute x, which is 21, back to equation 1, where we have x plus y equals to 36. Therefore, our x, which is 21 plus y equals to 36, and y equals to 36 minus 21. When we subtract this, we are going to have our y equals to 15. So the value of our y equals to 15, and the value of our x equals to 21. Question number 13. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 all over 3 and minus 3 all over 4. So we have solution. We use y equals to 2 all over 3 and y equals to minus 3 all over 4. So that is the root. We use this to form a quadratic equation. And we have y, when this one transposed to this side, becomes minus 2 all over 3 equals to 0. And y, this one transposed to this side, becomes plus 3 all over 4 equals to 0. In this case, we have to clear this fraction. How do we do that? Multiply all through by 3. So we have 3 times y minus 2 all over 3 times 3 equals to 0. So this one, we multiply all through by 4. We have y times 4 plus 3 all over 4 times 4 equals to 0. Here, 3 will cancel here out and it becomes 3y minus 2 equals to 0. And here is 4y. 4 will cancel here, plus 3 equals to 0. So this is the same thing as 3y minus 2 multiplied by 4y plus 3. So equals to 0. When we multiply this out, we are going to have 3y times 4y. We have 12y squared. We have 3y times 3. We have plus 9y. We have minus 2 times 4y. We have minus 8y. We have minus 2 times plus 3. We have minus 6 equals to 0. So here our equation becomes 12y squared plus 9y minus 8y is plus y minus 6 equals to 0. So this is the equation of this quadratic equation, which these two roots, 2 all over 3 and minus 3 all over 4. Number 14, make x the subject of the relation y equals to ax cubed minus b all over 3z. So we have solution. So this is the same thing as we have y equals to ax cubed minus b all over 3z. So we have to cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we have 3z times y equals to ax cubed minus b. So in this case, we have to add both sides by b. So we have 3yz. Let's rearrange this way. Plus b equals to ax cubed minus b plus b. So here b will cancel itself and we are now left with 3yz plus b equals to ax cubed. For us to make the x the subject of the expression, we have to divide both sides by a. So we have here as divide by a and we divide by a. A cancel here and a cancel here. So we are now left with x cubed equals to 3yz plus b all over a. Therefore, our x, for us to clear this power, we have to multiply by cube root of both sides. So our x will be equals to cube root of 3yz plus b all over a. So this is the solution of this question. So we have number 15. The price of a shoe was decreased by 22%. If the new price was $27.30, what was the original price? So we have solution. The decrease percentage equals to the original price minus the new price all over the new price. So when we substitute this into this, 22% is the same thing as 22 all over 100 equals to the original price, which is x we are looking for, and the new price, which is $27.30 minus $27.30 all over the new price again, $27.30. So we have this as 0.22 equals to x, which is the original price minus the new price, which is 27.30 all over 27.30. So after our substitution, now we can cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we have 0.22 times 27.30 equals to x minus 27.30. So in this case, we have 0.22 times 27.30 plus 27.30 equals to x. So when you multiply this and subtract this, our x will be equals to $35. So the value of our x equals to $35. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.